You're in 4th grade and your end of year exams are coming by in a week. You're still worried about the math portion. You don't think you're prepared and you don't think you have enough time to study. Well, fear not, my friend, because in this video, you will learn how to ace 4th grade math. And in the rest of this playlist, which is the course of 2 videos, you will learn the entire math syllabus for the milestones. So these are the topics we are going to cover in this video. Multiplication, division, area, and perimeter. That's all we're going to do in this video. In the next video, you will learn conversion, equivalent fractions, and decimal fractions. So let's begin with multiplication. Multiplication is simply repeated addition. In the 4th grade syllabus, it's usually just 2 digits. So here's a trick. Say they're asking you 23 times 42. I color-coded this so that it's easier. First, you look at the units digit, which is the pinkish digits, 3 and 2. Then you multiply them to get the ones place of the answer. What's 3 times 2? It's 6, right? So the ones place of the answer would be 6. To find out the next place, which is the tens place, you would do tens digit of the first number times the last digit of the second number, which is 2 times 2 in this case. And then you would multiply the last digit of the first number and the first digit of the second number, which is 3 and 4, which is 12. Then you add those two together, which is 4 and 12, you get 16. What's the ones digit of 16? 6, right? So that means the tens digit would be 6. Then you carry on the 1 from the 16. Finally, to get the last place, you would multiply the first 2 digits, which is 2 and 4. You get 8. But remember the 1 that we carried on from 16? You would need to add that 1 to the 8 to get 9. So the answer is 966. This is a mental math hack that really helped me during my exam, so I just thought I should share it with you. I even made a video on it, which I will give you the link in the description below. Next, let's do division. Division is partitioning something into equal parts. Here's a way to do this called the standard algorithm. It's a way to do division fast. So say they're asking you 486 divided by 6. Take the first few digits. In this case, let's take 48. Because that's the smallest number in this number that goes into 6. That 6 goes into. Sorry. So how many times does 6 go into 48? 8 times, right? So what's 8 times 6? 48. Then you subtract 48 from 48, which is 0. And then you bring the 6 down. How many times does 6 go into 6? 1 time, right? So how many times did 6 go into 48? 8 times. So put the 8 and the 1 together. You get 81. So that's the answer. Pretty cool, huh? Our next topic is area. Area is basically the space that a shape holds inside of it. For a rectangle, you would need to multiply the width, how wide it is, with the length, how long it is. In 4th grade, they only teach you how to find the area and perimeter of a rectangle, not any other shape. So if you just know this, then you're good. So say you have this rectangle, 6 feet by 12 feet. The width would be 6, and the length would be 12. To get the area, you would just multiply those together. What's 12 times 6? 72. So the area of this rectangle would be 72 square feet. When you show the unit with area, you should always put a little 2 on top of the measurement unit, or just put an S and a Q in front of that. Next is perimeter. Area and perimeter go hand in hand. Kind of. So the perimeter is the length of the space around the figure, not inside. To find the perimeter of a rectangle, you would multiply the width by 2 and add that to the length by 2. So the width times 2 plus the length times 2 equals the perimeter. Let's stick with the same rectangle. So the width would be again 6. And what's the width times 2? That would be 12. And then take the length times 2. What's 12 times 2? 24. So you would add 24 to 12 to get the answer. That's 36. In perimeter, you would not need to put the little 2 on top or write S and a Q. Because perimeter is just a 1D measurement, not a 2D one. So the perimeter of this shape would be 36 feet. That's it for this video, guys. In the next video, we will continue to ace 4th grade in Math Mania. Please comment below if you found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon as well to get notified for some more engaging videos like this one. See ya!